In today's fast-paced world, ensuring the safety and well-being of your workforce is non-negotiable. Core EHS, experts in safety solutions, brings you a revolutionary approach to safety training, the 3D Safety Induction video, designed for every industry. Our safety induction video is tailored for a wide range of industries, including construction, manufacturing, oil and gas, mining, warehousing and logistics, healthcare, transport and infrastructure, and many more. Without a comprehensive safety induction, workers may face a higher risk of accidents, leading to costly injuries, downtime, and legal liabilities. Imagine the challenges of ensuring all employees understand and follow safety procedures without proper training. Without the right training tools, your workforce can be overwhelmed and unprepared. This can lead to confusion, misunderstandings, and even dangerous situations. Now, imagine a solution that brings safety to life, engaging your workers from the moment they join your team. The Core EHS 3D Safety Induction video is a dynamic, immersive tool that ensures every employee is trained effectively. With our 3D Safety Induction video, you'll experience increased engagement, immersive 3D animations capture attention and enhance learning. Clear communication, visuals break down complex safety procedures, ensuring understanding. Reduced risk, workers enter the job site with the knowledge and awareness to prevent accidents. Need the video to align with your company's messaging? We provide flexibility. The first 30 seconds and the last 30 seconds of the video can be customized to reflect your unique introduction and closing remarks, making the training experience even more personal and aligned with your company's values. Our 3D Safety Induction video covers key topics essential for ensuring safety across all job sites, including workplace safety procedures, personal protective equipment, hazard identification and risk assessment, emergency response protocols, safe equipment use and operation, fire safety and evacuation plans, site-specific safety guidelines, and much more. Core EHS provides a concise 20-minute 3D safety induction video that efficiently delivers essential training. Engaging and customizable, the video is designed to protect your workforce and help create a safer, more efficient workplace.